There's two parts to the Pathisol, the all-purpose cleaner and the disinfectant. The all-purpose cleaner, it's a very good cleaner. It's a sodium hydroxide based solution. You can use it for cleaning floors, tabletops. The deep clean teams use it on their day-to-day business.
Pathisol is a natural product. It's known as hypochlorous acid and it's found in our bodies. It's its natural first-line defence for infection.
The beauty of the products is they're pH neutral, so it means that they're very environmentally friendly. It's made from organic material and eventually it'll degrade back to organic material, so there's no cost requirements for it.
Its efficiency is basically because it's natural. It can be easily made, it can be easily applied, and most of all, it kills bacteria.
Because it's pH neutral, it doesn't have an electrical charge. Most viruses have a negative charge, so it attacks the viruses a lot quicker than it would do if it was bleach, for instance.
So Pathisol can be applied using a spray bottle, and that's using the all-purpose cleaner. And then we move on to the disinfectant, which we use in the electrostatic applicator.
Obviously that gives it a quicker reaction time. So if a virus has a negative charge and we've put a positive charge on the hypochlorous acid, they will come into contact with each other and the hypochlorous acid will kill the virus within 30 seconds. Hypochlorous acid can take probably 30 seconds to 2 minutes to disinfect a surface, whereas bleach can take up to 30 minutes.
We trialled Pathisol on 6 clinical ward areas over at North Tees. We used 6 different clinical wards, very busy wards, and we used the all-purpose cleaner and then followed by the electrostatic applicator throughout.
Say if we're doing a disinfecting in a ward, at this moment in time we'll have to evacuate the ward and the room's out of action for the best part of 24 hours. By the time the disinfectant's done its job, by the time it's dissipated enough to safe levels for people to come back in, with the hypochlorous acid, instead of having a ward out of action for 24 hours, we could have it back fully up and running within 2 hours. If we're in office spaces, if there's a deep clean done, we can go in and disinfect an office space and it can be back in use within the hour.
We've managed to reduce the amount of cleans that we're having to do and the length of cleans, which means that we can get those beds back open for the patients that need them.